Hi, welcome back. This is a great video for beginners and for all of us who just want to brush up on hand technique. This is about making beautiful thirds. And I was teaching a person who'd never touched a harp before, and she did so well with this. This is how to do thirds. So it's 3 strings, like I'm going to start on the blue, which is F. 3 strings, and you don't play the middle one. And you do it with the thumb and the second finger. This is 1, this is 2. So 1, the thumbs are up like a mountain shape. The 2s, the index fingers, are down like a valley shape. So it's a mountain and a valley. You squeeze and then you close. And when you do this, thumbs up and index fingers pointed down, this part of your hand is relaxed down. And actually I don't want my wrists like that at all. I always want them to be like that or straight. So then you squeeze it and you just close. And if you were going to look at your hands, they're like that. Everything just closes. But then you squeeze it and you just close. So I'm going to close, squeeze, close, and just come up a little bit. Relax, come back. I'm doing a C third so I can see the red string, and an F third so I can see the blue string. I just sort of float in between. I don't have to pull back like that. I don't have to go like that. I don't have to go way far up. I don't have to do a lot with my wrists, but I'm relaxed. Mountain, valley, squeeze, close, and just float. I could go in any key. Or I could do unison. So that's a third.